Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the numerical 14.8 of oscillation chapter. Let's read it. A 5 kilogram box is attached to a spring. There is a 5 kilogram box who is attached to a spring of spring constant 500 Newton per meter. Whose spring constant is 500 Newton per meter. The spring constant is of spring. The box is displaced from its equilibrium position. Now we have displaced this box from its equilibrium position by 10 centimeter, and after displacing of 10 centimeter we have released it. Now find first of all the period of oscillation. What will be the period of oscillation of that spring? Second one is the maximum speed. What will be the maximum speed and where it will be for a spring? And the third is the maximum acceleration. What will be the maximum acceleration of that spring? Let now proceed to the solution. We have a spring attached to a box. We have displaced it by 10 centimeter. What we have to calculate? At first we need to calculate the mass of the box is 5 kilogram. The first is the time period. What is the formula of time period? Time period is 2 pi by omega for simple harmonic motion. Formula of time period is this. Now it is also for any normal motion, the formula of time period is this. Here it is 2 by mu, and mu will be so omega. For a spring constant, the omega is root k by m. Now we will place this omega. It will be root k by root m. 2 pi. Mass is 5 kilogram, and k is spring constant is 500 Newton per meter. Now it will be, we can take overall square. One by 100, it will be pi by 5, and the final answer will be 0.63 seconds. So the time period to complete a single oscillation for this spring is 0.63 second. And the formula of time period is this for angular oscillations. So now we will calculate the maximum speed. The formula of velocity for us is minus a omega sin omega t plus phi. We are not much concerned about this negative sign, because we are going to calculate the maximum speed, not the velocity. If here it is velocity, then we are going to consider this minus sign. We can neglect this minus sign here. So when this velocity will be maximum, when this sign is 1. So when this is angle is 90 degree. So it will equal to minus a omega. And what is the amplitude? Amplitude is, we have displaced it 10 centimeter. In meter it will be 0.1, and omega is root k by m. 0.1 into root k is 500 Newton per meter, and mass is 50. And root it will be 10. So 100 into 1 by 10. So it will be 10 meter per second. The velocity will be 1 meter per second. Sorry, it will be 10 here. So it will be 1 meter per second. The velocity will be 1 meter per second. So where our velocity, let's find out it, where our velocity will be maximum, at which position it will be maximum. So from the formula it is clear that when the angle is 90 degree or in radian, when it is pi by 2, then our velocity speed will be maximum. We are considering our simple harmonic motion on a diameter. So when it is at the mean position, then angle will be pi by 2 radian. So how it is pi by 2 radian on this x-axis? So we are considering here the simple harmonic motion. It is the projection of simple harmonic motion on the diameter. So our particle is rotating in this manner. So the projection of particle will be on a diameter will be like that, and here the velocity will be maximum when we release the spring here from 10 centimeter, and when it will come here it will be maximum. Here the particle is at rest and the velocity is 0. So what is the angle here? That is pi by 2. So at pi by 2 or 90 degree or at mean position, the velocity will be maximum. Okay, now it is a turn of acceleration. How we should calculate the acceleration of this spring? The formula of acceleration is minus omega square A cos omega t. Phase constant we have neglected. So here also we are calculating maximum acceleration where it will be. So the minus sign will be of no use, and omega is k by m. Omega is root k by m. Omega square will be equal to k by m into a. And when it will be equal to maximum, when cos omega t is 1, and where it will be 1? It will be 1 at 0 degree. So it will become 1, and we have result here k by m into a. K is 500 Newton per meter, mass is 5 kilogram, A is amplitude is 0.1 meter. So acceleration will be 10 meter per second square. The maximum acceleration will be 10 meter per second square. Where it will be? Where it will be? In this spring constant we have released from here. The maximum acceleration is at extremities where velocity is 0. Consider this. Here this is our mean position here, and this is the extremities. Here when if we consider like simple harmonic motion in a simple pendulum, here the force is applied towards the mean position, which is maximum here. When the particle is here, the force applied toward the mean position is maximum. So if force is maximum here, then what will be the acceleration? Acceleration will also be maximum here. And what is the angle here? The angle is projection on this diameter. The angle is 0 degree. Okay, so at 0 or at extremities our acceleration will be maximum. So we have finished it. Thanks a lot.